Hello everyone, welcome to my session today. This is Pamel Khuzai and I'm a solution consultant for SAP Ariba. Just to tell you about myself, I'm a couple of years with SAP now. I'm based in Bahrain, Kingdom of Bahrain. It's the smallest island in the Middle East. It's a great place to live in. I guarantee it's wonderful. I cover MENA region, Middle East and North Africa, but I invest most of my time in Saudi Arabia. So I drive from Bahrain to Saudi Arabia through our causeway, one of the longest in the world. I use my Nissan. It's a fantastic car, and I'll come back to Nissan in a couple of moments during my session through my introduction to SAP Leonardo. SAP Leonardo. You may have heard of SAP Leonardo from different stories, media, television. Today I want to give you a high level of understanding of SAP Leonardo offering and how could it help you and help your business run better. So let's start. There are some important trends happening in the marketplace that are related to what we call digital transformation. Some of those trends are artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, or what we call IoT. By the end of this year, 2018 in specific, 75% of independent software vendors will be involved in some type of development for artificial intelligence or machine learning. Next year, in 2019, application programming interfaces or APIs will become the primary mechanism to connect data, algorithm, and decision services to provide built-in guidance to end user of applications and products. Okay, that's interesting. One of the trends that is probably most popular with consumers and natural languages, or what we call natural languages, made famous by Alexa. I'm sure everybody knows Alexa. Natural language generation will be standard feature of 90% of modern business intelligence platform. 90%, so 9 out of 10. That's huge. SAP Leonardo. So what is SAP Leonardo? Which is named for one of the most innovative and creative people in history. For me, he's one of, I consider him the most creative in human race. So, to define it simply, it is the digital innovation system that will enable you to innovate at scale and to help you confidently redefine your business. Let me explain how this is possible and specific. So, if we look at it here, if you can see on the left, on the left are listed some of SAP solutions to support your business processes. One SAP solution highlighted here, for example, is the core ERP solution to run your business. That's S/4HANA. Another solution is SAP Ariba for supporting the business processes of source to settle, or what we call source to pay. SAP Leonardo support adding a system of intelligence to these business systems so that these business systems and the application that support them are more intelligent and have more capabilities that are creative and can scale up easily. A great example of that is adding intelligence to accounts payable by using machine learning during the invoice approval workflow. How is that? As data is collected during the data entry accounting assignments, as an example, machine learning can take that information and reduce repetitive manual entry through automation. Nice. You also see design thinking listed here as a system. How is that? Design thinking is a great system, a great process to help you and us understand the best opportunities at your company to take advantage of the innovative trends. If we go next, using the design thinking process, people at your company can collaborate to share their ideas and your visions and then move into the process to create blueprint within 6 to 8 weeks. That includes documenting the roadmap and even the risk to using the technology. You don't have to start from scratch. SAP currently offers 6 pre-configured business cases to help you get started for similar scenarios. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a great example to look at. IoT can connect products, assets, fleets, infrastructure, markets, and people. IoT sensors that are connected to valuable assets can send data to central location. So SAP Leonardo platform provides first the technical services to connect things via IoT devices. The platform also provides the management of data that devices are sending to the platform. So SAP Leonardo platform also provide the business services to model and then develop application to take advantage of these data. That would be great for any business to scale up easily. SAP Leonardo has Industry Accelerator that bundle industry knowledge, software, and data intelligence to help our customer get started so that business value is delivered as quickly as possible. An example of one of the Industry Accelerator is what we have available for discrete manufacturing companies. As manufacturing companies' customers have high expectation for guaranteed availability and performance of manufactured products. Manufacturers also try to create service business models to compete better. This was a major initiative when I was talking to my father at his previous work in GE a couple of years ago. They were pushed to find revenue opportunities for services required by aircraft engine customers. For example, sometimes these services efforts add additional costs that jeopardize manufacturer profitability. SAP Leonardo Industry Accelerator offers a way for manufacturers to quickly develop and deploy service and asset solution. An example of one of SAP customer who's doing that is Caterpillar. SAP Leonardo technology helps Caterpillar to connect farm equipment's assets to maximize the effective management of those assets. That's great and it's benefiting Caterpillar big time. Remember when I was talking about Nissan a few minutes ago? My car? They are also another SAP customer who's using SAP Leonardo. Nissan collects data from IoT sensors in its vehicle, from IoT sensors on production line and also mobility devices. That rolls up the SAP HANA platform, which helps Nissan understand how vehicle is behaving and its customer and the behavior of the customer while driving. This helps Nissan offer better services to happier customer and helps Nissan achieve cost leadership in the industry. These services support business expansion, improve quality, and will ultimately increase the market power of Nissan brand. That's why I drive Nissan. Let me mention a few demonstration examples of SAP Leonardo. Predictive maintenance is a great example of productivity monitoring assets and then creating service tickets before the assets fail. In the Velocity bicycle company example, you can walk down the street and take a picture of a bike and upload it to demonstration bike company called Velotex. Using machine learning algorithm and API's recommendation is made to you the potential customer. BMW uses SAP Leonardo as well to capture customers' emotion while watching BMW advertisement. Using the face recognition algorithm, the algorithm analyzes the customer face determines the emotion of that person. Without any manual intervention, BMW can see the analysis of the customer's reaction to the advertisement. This use case can also expand into other areas of customer and user acceptance scenario. So that demonstration highlights the art of possible. Here are some next steps that I would like to propose. We call these the express option for exploring SAP Leonardo. First, let's arrange for introductory Leonardo demo so that you can see some of the live examples. Second, I would like to give you introduction to design thinking because it's proven process to help you understand the opportunities that are specific to your business. Third, let's have an interactive discussion how an exploration workshop can help your team learn the next level of what's possible that benefits your business. Last but not least, thank you for your time today, and I look forward to working with you so you can take the advantage of SAP Leonardo and help drive digital innovation and transformation within your business. Thank you very much.